Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of headphones from Bose. So these are in-ear headphones. So let us open the box. So you have a box, and let me open this. So it's just the black cover, and so the very first thing that we have is the carry case. It's a cute pouch wherein you can have your headphones kept, and it comes with a zip like so, and the quality, it is super awesome. It looks so good. It has the Bose logo on it, and then it's nice to have these headphones, because rather than having your headphones in your bag and then struggling a lot to remove them or to find them from a bag, it would be always better to have a carry case for your headphones. And then the next thing is, I think these are the manuals. So you have two user manuals, which I am sure that you guys may not be interested in, so let's just skip on that part. And then, so this one is a small ear tip. So I believe we have three: small, large. This is the large, and the other one we have already attached to the earpiece. So I believe this is the medium. So you have three variations: small, medium, and then large. So the small has white color in it. The large has gray. I think this is black. And then the actual earphone has gray color. So when I say the color, it is something that is inside in here. So you can see the ear tip do have some colors, wherein the small is represented with the white one, and the the large has the black one. Let me show that. So you can see here, so it's the black, and then we have the actual earphone, which is in gray color, I believe. Yes, so this is in gray. So let me remove this. Okay, so this is your actual in your piece. So here you have a clothing clip, so it would always be easy to adjust the length of the wire that you need. And then the wire is double shaded, it's black and white. Okay, and then it has got 3.5 jack, and at the same time it has got inbuilt microphone, and it has three buttons on it. I think the first one, it's the volume up button, the below is the volume low button, and then you have the middle, wherein I think it's for answering the call, or closing the call. At the same time, when you are playing any music, you can just pause it with the middle one. And then when you click double click on it, two presses will be for fast forward, and three presses would be for going to the previous soundtrack. So it is kind of easy when you have these options, when you're in a gym, or when you're working out, and you don't really have to take your phone out to change the option each time. So the other, I have used this, and when the very best part of this earphone compared to the other good ones, like the other iPhone that you get with your phone, that is this in your piece. So this is very very good, because when you have your iPhones on, and when you're doing a treadmill, or when you're doing any of your exercises, or when you're jogging around, then it always you have to make sure that your phones are always adjusted in your ear, But whereas when you have in-ear pieces like this, so what happens is when you put in your phone, and you can just be carefree, and you don't have to always keep adjusting these. You can just be hands free and you do your workout. So, and coming to the sound quality, I there is not a second word that I can tell on this Bose uh, earphones, because they're always of good quality. Yeah, it is a good thing that to go with. And I also see that you have a Bose uh, written on the earpiece as well. The headphone also has the adjustment slider. So this is the adjustment slider. It's the same, you get this with every other good quality headphone, so nothing special about it. And what hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel, and I have lot more videos coming in, not just review. I'm also going to review about the beauty products, and I'm also planning to start on henna tutorials as well. So just keep updated and subscribe to my channel to get more details